When learning to code and learning a new coding language, our first program is always Hello World. When learning robotics or physical computing, like the PicoBricks kit here, our first Hello World program is an LED blinking on and off. When coding the Bricks project, we will learn how to connect the PicoBricks to our computer, how it pairs with the Bricks IDE. We will then go into coding the LED module to blink on and off. Let's get it. Let's connect PicoBricks to our computer. We'll do this by taking the micro USB cable, and the small end here will go into our Pico board with the two little grooves pointing towards us. The other end of our USB cable and plug this into the computer. We're using a Raspberry Pi here. So it plugs in just like that, as it would any other USB port on your computer. Now that PicoBricks is connected to our computer, we can open up our favourite web browser. As you can see here, I am using Google Chrome. So once we've got our web browser open, in here we want to type ide.picobricks.com. You will now see the PicoBricks IDE webpage here. So we can see there's various different versions of PicoBricks. We've got PicoBricks Junior, which every block just kind of has the icon of the component that we're working with. We've got PicoBlockly, which is the one we'll be working with today. We've got PicoPy, which is their PicoBricks Python editor. And we've also got a simulator, meaning you can code PicoBricks without having the physical devices in front of you. So let's click View More on the PicoBlockly. So now we're in the block-based editor for PicoBricks. At the top here we can see a Run button. This is what we'll press to run our code. We've got a Stop button which will stop all of the code. We've got the Docs button which will bring up the documentation for PicoBricks, so all the different projects that we can do. And then we've also got a PY tab here, which will take us into a Python editor. So it'll have the blocks on the side here and Python down the other side. So we can see if I quickly just do that, we can see that PicoBricks has imported a time library here just by bringing the PicoBricks block in. But we'll close the Python editor just so we're not confusing you. So let's create our code to make the LED blink on and off. So first of all we'll need a forever loop. So this will be found in the loops category here. And the forever. And we just drag and drop that below the PicoBricks block. Next we'll need the LED block, which you'll find in bricks. And then it's set LED on. And we'll put that inside our forever loop. Next we need a wait block, which is back inside the loops category, and we've got wait 1 here. We actually want to change this 1 to 0.5. Next we need a set LED off block, but instead of going back into the bricks category, we can actually duplicate the blocks we already have. So if we right click on this block, we can click duplicate. We'll bring that under the weight 0.5, and on this little drop down arrow here, we'll click that and select off. Next we need another weight 0.5 block, so we can do exactly the same again. Is right click on the weight block and select duplicate, and we'll attach that under set LED off. This is all the code here that we need to make the LED blink on and off. But before we can do that, we'll need to pair PicoBricks to our computer. So we do that by clicking this little icon here and selecting the board in FS mode and click connect. So our PicoBricks are now connected to the IDE here. So now when we press the run button here, we will see the LED blink on and off on our PicoBricks. Well done! You've just completed your first PicoBricks project. Come back for the next video where we will show you how to control the LED using the button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding!